Have you noticed that Google Photos on your Android phone anyway doesn't let you just quickly share a picture? It stops. Why is it doing that? It wants you to edit and make the picture better before you share. Let me show you what it's doing. Here's my Android phone. This has not gotten to the iPhone yet. In Google Photos, if I pick a picture, we were at the Golden Gate yesterday, and I tap share, it doesn't take me to sharing. It stops at this quick edit. Well, it's just trying to push you a bit to say that picture could look better before you share it if you just tap enhance. And yeah, it does look better, doesn't it? I touch and hold to see the original. It's just kind of muddy. The enhanced one is better. And I tap share. But if you don't like that, if you say, no, I've done my editing, I don't need this, you can turn it off. Tap on turn off and turn off. And if you ever wanted to turn it back on again, that's in your settings, account button, photos settings, sharing, and quick edit before sharing. So that's why Google Photos isn't letting you just share right away. I'm Guld with Geeks On Tour.